All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Lindsey Noree. I am coming back with you, cleaning up this bathroom. As you see, it's in desperate dire need. I live in a two-story house, so this bathroom is very important because it's the only bathroom that is on the lower level, and it's also the bathroom that's attached to my bedroom. So if any visitors ever want to come in and they're in urgent need to use the bathroom, they have to use my bathroom. So I always try to stay on top of it. I know people don't care when they really have to use the bathroom, they have to go, but no one wants to see someone's underwear sitting on the middle of the floor, So today I'm about to knock this out for the week, and I thought I should record it. I was definitely trying to get the whole bathroom done, like these cabinets and drawers that I'm showing you now, but by the time I got done with the majority of it all, I was exhausted. I'm a mother of 4, so I can't really indulge that much time recording. If you do YouTube or you record videos at any capacity, it takes a lot longer to have to switch your angles like I just did. Charge your batteries, switch out your memory cards if all possible, all that good stuff. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe while you're here right now. Yeah. But anyway, so I'm going to go in with some Dawn dish soap and some of that orange yellowy Mr. Clean. The blue one's my favorite. I don't like that one too much. It has like a tartness to it that I don't quite like. But that's all I had. Whenever I go house cleaning shopping or whatever, I buy like a lot of different flavors and whatever you call it, like, varieties of flavors or whatever. And I usually always use the ones that I like the most first, obviously. So we have the yellow one today. It's not bad. I'd rather had used Pine Sol or something. It's just that little kick on the end makes me just think of something else that I just don't like. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna clear out this bathroom sink. It's obviously not that bad necessarily. I just have hard water stains, as you see, and I don't like that because it just looks dirty. So I'm also get the bleach out. I got the Lysol, also the orange one. I usually get the purple one, but again, I use the ones I like the most, which is the purple one. And it's all gone. So now we have this one. I'm also out of toilet gel, and I usually get the toilet gel that has the bleach in it, but since I'm out, I'm just going to use regular bleach. I'm also going to go back with the bleach around the base of my tub. You see how it's just not quite white. I'm going to let that go around the perimeter for more or less. I didn't want it to get too crazy because as you see, I'm wearing colored stuff. I'm going to let that sit for just a second so it can kick in and season up. I'm going to start in. I have done this voiceover about 7 to 10 times. I keep either getting interrupted with the kids and the old man, or I am getting cut off. It keeps telling me it can't find my files, so the video will stop. And I could do a blind video, but it won't match up. It'll just be about me talking about random things because I can't see it. It'll just go out black. And if that's the case, I might go ahead and just make half the video an audio video and let y'all watch the rest. And I appreciate the people who actually do watch my videos and watch them all the way through. Just because I feel like us YouTubers go through a lot of little things, like having to record over and over and over and over and over and over and over. So it's a lot of effort, and I appreciate anybody who actually sticks around. And you can get up with me and clean your bathroom with me, and we can, go through the motions together, and it kind of helps you get motivated. That's exactly why I got up and recorded in my bathroom, because I was watching McKenna, as you've seen earlier. I love McKenna Walker. Go check her out. Subscribe. She's awesome. She does a lot of home family things. So yeah, I am just here for motivation, I guess, and also just to show you the realities of being a stay-at-home mom in a 2-story house with a lot of rambunctiousness. And like I said, I'm a stay-at-home mom, so the majority, if not all of the household chores are on me. Yeah, I'm not even gonna stretch that out. It's just the majority of all the household chores are on me. So Sometimes I get behind, and that's okay to get behind as long as you get back up again. I notice when I go over to people's house, like my friend's house, even some of my aunt's house, they keep a very tidy home. And I notice a lot of the reason why my house gets out of control a lot quicker is because I have a lot of stuff. And you don't notice how much stuff you have until you move. And I know when I move out of this house, I'm going to be overwhelmed. I'm talking about every closet in this house is packed. You see my bathroom drawers and cabinets. That's how it is upstairs in the upstairs bathroom. That's how my kids' rooms are. We're just jam-packed with stuff. Too many clothes for the closets to hold. Too many shoes to line up. I need to get rid of like so much stuff. So that's going to be the next video. Like I said, I'm going to declutter the bathroom and work my way out to my bedroom, do another makeup decluttering. And no, if I mess up with my words, stutter or slow down or speed up, just bear with me because I'm not recording this again. And if it clicks out, I'm going to just be done with it because I'm wasting too much of my time. I have other things to do. So YouTube, please cooperate with me. Anyways, so I'm going to work on my makeup. If you watch any of my short film stuff, like I think it's going to probably be on Instagram and Facebook. It might be on my TikTok. But I've already kind of done a good decluttering of my makeup, but now I just want to like disinfect and reorganize. And like I said, I have a few new makeup items. As you've seen, I picked up a few things at Walmart on the last video. And again, I went back and watched that last video and I was like, dang, there's a lot of stuff that I just looked over, but I had the kids with me, I have a man with me, and you know how that is. You can't think with them. They won't let you even swallow your spit good enough, let alone think about, all the new juicy good products that are out in the drugstores. I have another video that I cannot wait to get to. It's the unboxing video that I mentioned. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I have tons of new packages. I've been tearing it up, y'all. I can't wait to see. Some of the things I could tell what they are because the labeling is on the packaging, but some of the Amazon packages, you know how they come in like just their regular Amazon stuff, you don't really know what it is until you open it. Those things I cannot wait to see. Even the things that I can see what they are. I haven't used any of these products. They're all new things I've never had, except for the coffee. I know that I've had the coffee before. But anyways, back to this video. Going in with this baking soda and some bleach again. Some vinegar. Because if you didn't notice, my draining is kind of slow. And I'm also out of Drano. And even though I put Drano on the list, I realized I never got the Drano. I never bought the Drano. So, I don't know. I don't know how I skipped that. And if you see the edge of that paper towel right there and how it has that orange, that's from all the corrosion around the sink that I had no idea was there. So, make sure you're washing around your sink. Okay, so here you see me. I got that beautiful bouquet from Nick, my man. And the sun was just right. It was like golden hour and it was just so beautiful. I had to take a picture. And then my kids obviously dancing around like she always is. And then also my dogs are in the house. They had to come in for a little bit. The neighbor is getting their yard cut and the yard guy is terrified of my dogs, which, I mean, my dogs are Cane Corsos, so I get why. But they are in the house cooling off for just a second and they'll be back outside. They're majority outside, but we bring them in like 2-3 times a day just to mess with them, just to, kick it with them. And I'm just gonna sweep and excuse my toes. So just be in a minute, and excuse that dustpan, but whatever. My toes are horrendous. My feet are horrendous. Oh my gosh, I gotta get my feet done. I haven't gotten my nails and feet done in a long time because when you get your nails done too much and they file down to basically where your blood is, like you're about to get to the skin. That's how like 3 or 4 of my nails are, especially on my right hand. And I'm not quite sure how much longer it's gonna take, but just looking at my nail beds, it hurts to even think about getting them to do my nails because it's gonna hurt. You know how it hurts. If you're a woman, they go hard on the drill. But anyways, yep. So I'm about to wrap this up more or less. I realized along the way that I was missing a few products, like paper towel. I ran out of paper towels. What else? I kind of wanted to get, what else I get? I needed trash bags. And you would not believe me when I tell you I lost those trash bags. We don't have any idea where those trash bags went. And I have proof I bought them because it's in this video, but don't know where they are. And that's not the first time. It's happened before. Anyways. Yep. And I also did that twice, but I was just trying to hurry up and like I said, keep this video as short as possible. So while I did it twice, I kind of just let my camera charge for a second. And then I went back to it. With the sink, putting everything back, wiping everything down. As you see, this has been the decor in this bathroom since I moved in here, so I'm needing to do something else. I also pulled my rugs out of there. I have such a love-hate relationship with rugs. They could either make me feel gross, or if I don't have something under my feet, that can also make me feel gross. I hate walking around barefoot. If you know me, I don't care whose house. I don't care if you're Mr. Clean himself. Give me some socks, give me some booties, give me something. I'm not walking around in your house barefoot. I don't care. Because you'll see me. I'll be walking around like on my tiptoes. Like, I'm grossed out. I just have a mental block about that. It has nothing to do with people's cleanliness. It's just a toe thing. I can't stand my feet to get dirty. So, I don't know what I'm doing about the rugs. And also, a lot of rugs don't fit right. So anyways, I'm just putting everything back. Got me a fresh razor. Putting on my little wash your hands sign. I don't know how effective that is, but hopefully it's just a little reminder to people. Like, I do appreciate you washing your hands. Now what? I've been running my mouth. I'm still just wiping things down. I made it this far. It hasn't cut me off. I'm happy about that. Candle. It's kind of topsy-turvy a little bit, but it never falls. So I think that the weight of the actual candle keeps it all balanced. And I did have a candle over there, as you see before, which was an awful idea because, who wants to sit in front of a candle while you're using the bathroom? And also, you see it burnt my wall. And I was kind of cleaning up the baseboards. I went as high as I could, went as low as I could. I have a steamer, so if I ever have the time to re-record, or even before I do the decluttering, maybe I can get my steamer out and get all the nooks and crannies that kind of was hard to get to. Because I'm only 5'5". I don't know how tall my ceilings are. Probably 10 feet. I don't know. 8 feet. I don't know. I can't reach them. So yeah, but my steamer though has extensions on it, so that's cool. But anyways, I talked so fast because I was just so nervous I wasn't going to make it. Now I have nothing to say. But this is basically more or less the finished product. I had to re-rinse my tub out one more time because it's draining pretty slow also. But I went ahead and did that off camera as well. Bathroom looks to be done. I'm super happy about it, but I need to go make a little order because I'm missing some things. So I got the list, which, like I said, you see the Drano. I wrote it down. I just didn't get it. And this also made me mad because I tried to do the Walmart app and it was glitching. It just kept glitching. And then if you look down closer, the things that I was trying to order, it was trying to ship it to me, and I didn't have time for all that. I wanted to get it to me now, so I did a DoorDash instead. And so it came pretty quickly. You see those trash bags right there? Yeah. Did I throw the trash bags away? What is happening? And I wouldn't put it past me. I threw my whole wallet away about a month ago. The whole thing. IDs, debit, credit, everything. Threw the whole thing away. And as soon as I did, I almost knew it. But again, I was moving so fast, I lost track of what I was doing and whatever. But yeah, so just kind of restocking the bathroom just a little bit. Not a full-on stocking because there's not much to stock. I have soaps and whatnots and shampoos and whatnots. yeah, just folding that napkin like Hooters taught me to. It looks better like that anyway. But yeah, so this is actually the finished product. I'm super happy with it, except it's not perfect. Like I said, I need to go around with my steamer in areas I can't reach. That'll be fun. And then yeah, maybe figure out some type of layout for these rugs, because like, oh, I was gonna say that sometimes the rugs don't fit. Did I say that already? Like the rugs don't fit the bathroom. Sometimes, you know what I mean? Like sometimes you need like a long one and like it's confusing. I don't know. And see up there in the corner, I can't reach that. I'm gonna get that with the steamer for sure. It's gross. It's coming out of the vent. When it gets humid and the air is blowing, that the humidity and the dirt, whatever, it all conglomerates right there. But this is my final product. I hope you guys enjoyed.